Hey y'all, so today's video, this is just a quick little video about Apex success stories. There's a ton of them going around. You'll see a bunch if you're on the Facebook groups. I'm just so excited by Apex and what's happening that my buddy here, Toby, he had to join me on this one today. He's so excited too. We're just excited. Great things are happening. Tons of success stories. All right, buddy, you're gonna have to get down. Tons of success stories. Okay, so if you jump on my group here, this is my group, Apex Trader Funding, non-official, discounts, tips, and testimonials. Okay, so I just want to point out, you know, the group is growing, but if you'll see here, there's tons of testimonies going on. Okay, I mean, just look here. Hey, got my first PA account. All right, you know, this one here, shown withdrawal. Okay, there's just so many. And I mean, 50K account, look, got funded 50K. If you look here, another withdrawal. Testimony, go join the group. So right now, the description, in the description, the first link is the group. If you want to go join it right now, let me show you real quick. Okay, if you look for Apex Trader Funding groups, this group is the largest solo Apex Trader Funding group right now. You know, we've been growing. There's some other groups, but you know, they're all great. But just Apex alone, right now, my group is the largest. So I want to keep growing this thing. I want everybody to come in here, talk about Apex Trader Funding. And, you know, I share discounts all the time. Anytime there's a discount, I've had exclusive discounts just for my group, for the people that follow me on YouTube. And, you know, like I said, here's another withdrawal right here. More funding accounts, right? More people passing, getting their funded accounts. Another withdrawal right here. You know, tons of testimonies. I put up a whole bunch today in the group, just showing certificate of withdrawal. Okay. You know, here's another one. Funded on third attempt. There's just tons of success stories, and I love it. And also, you know, a lot of people that are either new to this whole thing, to trader funding, all that. What's the biggest question? One of the biggest questions is always, will they pay me? Yes, they will pay you. You know, there's a lot of companies, but you do want to make sure the company that you are partnering with is sustainable and will be around for the long term. Okay, so again, I'm still scrolling here. Got funded on 5 50K accounts. Okay, some more certificate of fundings, funding. Tons of people getting funded. Just got paid $2,000 withdrawal right there. Another withdrawal. You know, so Apex clearly pays out. Apex has the best rules out there. Okay, in my opinion, this is why I love Apex Trader Funding. Look at that, more and more. Like I said, I'm just so excited to see all these success stories. And, you know, be sure if you join this group, also in the description below, you'll see, you know, if you're not subscribed onto my YouTube channel, subscribe. I go live with my trading pretty much every single morning here recently. Look at that, more withdrawals. So that's really all I wanted to do on this video. Look, more withdrawals. All I wanted to do is just give a nice shout out to Apex Trader Funding and all of the success stories. So many people. And I want to encourage you, join the group. Let's get in there. Everybody wants to help. You know, traders helping traders. None of us are competing against each other. We can all help one another. And, you know, let's all be successful. We all have our own goals, reasons why we want to trade, right? Some people need to just, you know, grow retirement accounts. Some people want to retire. Some people just want the freedom. Okay, we're all in it together. We all have are reasons. I myself, I'm still trying to go through my journey. That's why I created my YouTube channel, to basically, so people can follow my journey. I'm still learning. So, I'm still growing. Everybody's growing. So let's all do this together. Thank you, Apex Trader Funding. And again, that's all this video really was. It's just to share some of the success stories. Join the group. Link below. Make sure and subscribe to my YouTube if you haven't been. I'm we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm definitely going to do something when we hit 1,000, and just give back to the community. We're all one big community here. So again, thanks for watching. If you like this, hit the like button, but join the group. Join Apex Trader Funding. You can always use my discount code WIN50, WIN50. And then if there's any other cells, my discount code is always going to be WIN and then the cell. So, all right, that's all. Just a quick little video to hop on here, give a quick little shout out. So hope everybody has a fantastic rest of your weekend. Prepare for, if you're trading tonight, prepare for this evening, prepare for this week. It's Thanksgiving week. So I hope everybody has a great week. I will talk to y'all soon. Have a good one. Take care.